Hey, I know this might be weird. I saw you from over there, and I want to just come say hi to you because you're beautiful.
Thanks.
What are you reading right here?
Unlocking the creative potential of recording studio effects.
Do you live around here? Or
Yeah, I go to NYU.
You go to NYU? What are you studying?
Music.
Studying music? Oh, nice. I just started actually like this semester, the spring semester at NYU. Just like talking to random people, trying to make friends, you know?
Cool.
Yeah. I was thinking maybe I can get your number and we could hang out.
I don't think my boyfriend will like that.
Oh, you have a boyfriend?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Well, I mean, I hope you enjoy your day.
Thanks.
And good luck with everything you do. All right, she has a boyfriend. That's all good. One at a time, one at a time.
Oh yeah,
yeah, no problem.
Oh my god, thank you! No more, no. Kobe.
You want another?
Yes!
I respect you, Kobe!
Oh my god. Guys, go up.
Yeah, no problem. You want a selfie?
Selfie,
Yeah, yeah.
Can you kiss on? Can you kiss
Yeah, yeah. Oh! Wow, I like you. Honestly, like after this whole thing, we should just go back to my hotel room, and honestly, we should just hang out. Yeah?
Definitely.
You're down?
Yeah,
All right,
yeah.
Let me get your number.
All right.
1 second. What's your name? Okay.
Get your number! Hey!
What's your name?
201.
201. I'm in.
73.
Wait, weren't you the same girl? Don't you have a boyfriend?
Got enough for TMZ,
No.
Kobe!
You were the same girl that rejected me like beforehand, and that you said you had a boyfriend. Now you don't have a boyfriend because you know I'm famous?
Who's this chick
I don't do the
with?
boyfriend thing. Hope you guys enjoyed that video. Make sure to follow me on Instagram at KobePerson. The link will be at the top of the description. Also subscribe to the YouTube channel. We have the craziest video coming out next week. You don't want to miss it.